thinking about this for actually a very long time, since I arrived in Thailand. So I've been here now 6 months, and it's been on my mind because how fast things have changed over the past, not even 12 months, it's actually since January, since I first got into meme coins in crypto. And even today I was just self-reflecting and everything. I was just looking at life, how fast things have changed, looking at myself, my own development, and just how things have literally just evolved, right? And the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to document my journey moving forwards. I wanted to do this for such a long time, and I've either procrastinated or made excuses, or I've not been in the in the situation where I can actually vlog, because I had to go back to work, or I had to do this, I had to do that. Now, the beautiful thing about now is that I'm currently in a position where I've got financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. I don't need to report to anyone, and I wanted to make this video as almost like a little introduction that moving forward, I want to film everything that I do, because not only is this going to leave memories, but also I know there's people out there who need to see this, who want to see this, and they ain't seeing it. Because most people who are involved in this industry, which is trading, investing, and becoming a better version of yourself, most of them, they're not authentic, and they're not really about it. They only do the videos to make it look like they're doing this and doing that, but when the cameras turn off, they do the complete opposite. And you can feel the energy, because a lot of people's videos, when you watch them on YouTube, it looks attractive and it looks really cool because they've got this and they're doing this. But then as soon as the cameras turn off, they're a completely different person. And that's what we want to bring into the videos, is the authenticity of who we are. What you see is exactly what you're going to get. We're not trying to make it look like anything. We're not trying to sugarcoat anything. The life that we're living is exactly that, you know? The villa's great, like it's an amazing place. It probably felt amazing for like 2 weeks, and now that I've been in nearly 2 months, it's just the home. Do you know what I mean? Like, even through the crypto, I managed to buy my first Rolex. I had the Rolex for like 3 months, and I gave it back, and I put it back in the market, because when you're in Thailand, like, none of these things actually matter. What we're going to do in the videos that we're going to upload moving forward is just a day-to-day life of what I personally get up to and what I do. So my routine, the lifestyle, how I think about things, how I solve my problems. Obviously, I've got 2 online businesses right now, Mindfullmarkets, Crypto Alliance, that I'm running, and it can become a little bit stressful sometimes. Do you know what I mean? Like, for one person to manage that many people, of course it's going to sometimes become stressful. So I just want to show you the day in, day out activities of what we do, how we're living, and how I basically managed to get myself in this position. A young boy, come from Poland, lived in England for 20 years, realised that England's not where I want to be, and I wanted to get out of there. I managed to get out of there. We're in Thailand, probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in, Koh Samui specifically. And yeah, my decision to do that was final, and we're here. So moving forwards, let's create content, show you the truth of what's going on behind the scenes. And that's that. Yeah, that's literally what's been on my mind. I want to share it. So yeah, we'll show you how we prepare for the market.
Precisely at your pre-identified level.
We'll show you how we deal with the market and when we make mistakes. Quick update. So we just took our first loss. The commission is 936, but they're overall trade 858, so just shy of 1%. When we make successes. So we're at 107 now, so you can see 4.2% for the day, and why they occur as well. So welcome to the world. Welcome to this world.
Welcome to the channel, baby.
If you're doing an online business, if you're a student, if you're a parent, whatever you are doing in life, if you journal, it's actually going to be an opportunity for you to see what's going on in your mind. Because a lot of people don't meditate, they don't really spend a lot of time in nature, they don't put their feet in the ground, which is the source. Like, we're literally tuning into Earth's energy and connecting to what the universe has for us. So if you're disconnected from the Earth, you're disconnected from yourself. And if you're disconnected from yourself, you're not connected to your mind, right? If your mind and body are disconnected, you're going to be drifting around in life. You're not going to get anywhere. You're going to incur a lot of problems, a lot of issues. You're not going to have any sort of consistency, drive, or momentum to do anything or achieve anything, because you're just floating around. You don't know what you want to do. You might want to do this, you might want to do that, but you never really put pen to paper and be like, right, this is what I'm going to do. This is who I'm going to be, and that's it. And you're literally one decision away from a completely different life. It's so beautiful. So I just definitely wanted to get this in this video, because journaling has been a very powerful process, and it's also a process that has had a significant impact on my life. So yeah, let's crack on with the rest of the day. So I've now finished preparing the meeting with Mindful Markets members. So I'll just show you a little example of kind of what we're going to be going through. So today we're going over teachability index, power of presence, 4 stages of the mind, and emotions. No matter how much money you've lost or how many people, friends you had to let go of, you finally arrived at a point in your life where you're like, it works. It actually works. Like this, everything that I've been working towards all these years is here.